Okay, because it's June and I think it's like some orientation month. I bought a big black hose for my black hole over here. BBH Workshop, same with Ridgid, same company. Emerson, St. Louis, Missouri. Ridgid, St. Louis, Missouri. Let's see how big. Oh, that's a nice size hose. Yeah. Thick boy. Alright, comes with the adapters. So you can like hook another one with it. Hold it like doo-doo. Quarter-inch adapter. Something like that. Cheap hose. This probably wasn't a trash pail. If it was that small on the bottom, I should have looked. But there you go. I want to get a 14-foot hose for it, I think. $2 for the whole kit, and OEM didn't come with this. It didn't come with this, the quarter-inch adapter. So you can quarter-inch it over here. Made in Mexico. Alright, now we need a latch. Maybe we can order it tomorrow for $1.88. I need a filter. Then all I'm missing is adapters and shit, but that's okay. Nice size hose though, way better than a 1.25 inches. There we go, same company. Emerson Electric. Makes Workshop, Ridgid, a bunch of other brands. Yeah, I might get the 14-foot hose. It's like 20 something bucks at Home Depot. Then I can connect this hose to the 14-foot hose. And then when I show you, then when my AC drain clogs, I can run a hose, put the vacuum in the ground, hose to the top, and I don't have to lug that one right there, that one up and down the steps when it's full of water, twice or 3 times. Make it a whole lot easier and quicker. I think it's worth the money. And with a 14-foot hose, I can vacuum a car like this, front to back, and I can vacuum up my truck bed. Another thing, you saw the Bissell thing I had. I saved the ends, and I have more ends inside from a different one. I found a tube that kind of fits. I want to make a ghetto extractor. I can hook this up to a spray bottle, something, a little pump, you know, etc. Then I could use the Ridgid. See if it will fit. It's 1/4 inch or 1 1/4. So this will fit over here. And then I can make this into a carpet cleaning machine. DIY. See, that will fit in here. And or just use a different one. Yeah. Carpet cleaning machine. Low budget. When I saw this, I was thinking about that, and I was also thinking about a better AC sucker. Oh, it's a 518 number. The guy wants the nets. The hose. I got a big black hose. For June. I got a big black hose for June. So, anyway, this latch, right? You can get it on eBay, used. Guy wants $13, total rip price. The latch is $1.88, which maybe was in a trash can as well. I don't know. Still don't know how. You really have to pry this thing this way to get that line. You have to be retarded to break that thing off. But $1.88. So Ridgid has it to $1.88, not covered in a warranty. I'm breaking my balls about it. $1.88. I remember this about this company. You know, I expose who's good and who's not. So Home Depot can apparently order it at their Pro desk, meaning Pro Homo Depot desk. I don't know. It's a stupid, nasty old guy behind the counter the other day. We're closed. Like the sign doesn't even show the closing time. It's missing the letter It was. It probably will still is when I'm there. So anyway, dude's over there. Go to the other desk. I go to that desk. I call the place. Of course, it's after 5. So we do things late, and the place is closed. So I'll have to go there between the hours of about 8 and 5 tomorrow. Try to order that thing for $1.88. Hopefully it's free shipping to Home Depot, like it usually is. So am I paying $9 shipping from Ridgid? No, I'm not doing that. It would ruin a deal. The hose ruins the deal for this one. You know you're going to have to buy a filter anyway for it. But the hose situation sucked. That's not so bad. I have a working machine. For the filters I'm going to get are better than the one that I had. I can get a 2-pack for $39, so come out to like $19 a piece instead of buying one for $29. So that's what we're going to do.